Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the poem My Mother at 66. So, in my previous class, I told you about the summary of the poem, and the poem is written by the Indian poet Kamala Das, who was born in 1934 in the state of Kerala. As you know, that she was also an important recognized Indian English poetry writer, and her works are known for their originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. So, our present poem is one of the complex subtleties of human relationship in the lyrical idioms. And our present poem is described by the poet itself in the first person pronoun. So, before going to start the poem, I want to remember you that have you ever been thought about growing older, and the growing of older, aging is a natural process, and have you ever thought what our elderly people, elderly parents expect from us? We have to imagine about this. So let us explain the poem line by line. Here you see the poet started the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. That means while the poet was driving her car to reach the airport, and the name of the airport is Cochin, she saw her mother beside her, who was lightly sleeping and her mouth was opened, and her face was like ashen, that of a corpse, like dead body, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the, the merry children spilling out of their homes. Here you will see the poet was driving and she was going from her parents' home to the Cochin airport. Her mother was with her, and her mother looked a very pale faced. The poet looked at the mother's face. The mother of the poet was lightly sleeping, and the mother of the poet also opened her mouth while sleeping. Poet's mother face looked pale like ash and lifeless like a dead body. This scene pained the poet. Her mother appeared to be in a different world. She did not look alive. She looked at her again, but soon turned her attention away from her mother and looked outside. The poet looked outside at the young trees running past them while the poet was driving her car. She looked at the happy and gay children coming out of their homes. She was also looking for some time upon the children who were coming out from their homes and playing. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winter's moon, felt that old familiar ash, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. So, in this paragraph, you will see that at the airport they had to undergo a security check. After that, the poet stood a few yards away from her mother and looked at her mother again. And the poet's mother looked very pale and colorless, like the late winter's moon. At the time, the poet felt her old familiar pangs in her heart. Her old childhood fear returned, but the poet only said goodbye to her mother and wished to see her again. She did nothing except smiling and smiling and smiling again. So, this is the end of the poetry. It's a very short poetry. So, this is the paraphrase of the poetry. I hope you all have understood the poetry. In my next class, I'll describe, I will discuss the textual questions and their solutions. So, have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. Stay at home and be safe.